Full moon in Aquarius, 2026. What it means for all rising signs. A full moon is a powerful moment in astrology because it represents a time of illumination, completion, and awareness. Whatever was planted around the previous new moon may now reach a point of clarity. Full moons often bring emotions, information, or situations to the surface so we can see them more clearly. This full moon takes place in Aquarius, the sign of innovation, individuality, community, technology, and the future. Aquarius asks us, where do I need to honor my individuality while still contributing to something greater than myself? This lunation may highlight themes around friendships, communities, personal freedom, collective goals, and the future we are trying to create. Remember, astrology is symbolic. Your personal experience depends on your entire birth chart, including aspects and planetary placements. For the most personalized interpretation, look at where Aquarius falls in your natal chart. Today, we'll explore how this full moon in Aquarius may activate each rising sign. Aries Rising, full moon in the 11th house. For Aries Rising, this full moon illuminates your 11th house of friendships, communities, networks, and future goals. This may be a time when you gain clarity about the people you surround yourself with. You may realize which friendships support your growth and which connections no longer align with the person you are becoming. This full moon may also bring recognition for something you've contributed to a group or community. Ask yourself, are the people around me encouraging the future I want to create? Taurus Rising, full moon in the 10th house. For Taurus Rising, this full moon activates your 10th house of career, reputation, and public life. You may experience a moment of awareness regarding your professional direction. This could be a time of recognition, completion, or realizing that your goals need to evolve. Aquarius energy encourages you to think differently about success. Ask yourself, am I building a career that reflects who I truly am becoming? Gemini Rising, full moon in the 9th house. For Gemini Rising, this full moon highlights your 9th house of higher learning, beliefs, travel, spirituality, and expanding your perspective. You may experience a breakthrough in your understanding of something. This can be a powerful time for learning, publishing, teaching, or exploring new philosophies. Aquarius reminds you that growth happens when you stay open to new ideas. Ask yourself, what belief or perspective am I ready to update? Cancer Rising, full moon in the 8th house. For Cancer Rising, this full moon activates your 8th house of transformation, shared resources, intimacy, and emotional depth. This may bring awareness around financial partnerships, trust, or deeper emotional connections. You may be releasing old fears or patterns that have limited your ability to receive support. Ask yourself, what am I ready to transform so I can move forward with greater freedom? Leo Rising, full moon in the 7th house. For Leo Rising, this full moon shines a light on your 7th house of relationships, partnerships, and one-on-one connections. Because Aquarius is opposite Leo, this full moon may strongly highlight the balance between yourself and others. You may gain clarity about a relationship, partnership, or important connection. The lesson is not losing yourself in others, but learning how to create relationships where both people can be fully themselves. Ask yourself, do my relationships allow me to be authentic? Virgo Rising, full moon in the 6th house. For Virgo Rising, this full moon activates your 6th house of work, routines, health habits, and daily responsibilities. You may become aware of changes needed in your everyday life. Aquarius encourages you to find smarter, more efficient ways of working. This could be a time to update your routines, embrace new technology, or create more freedom in your schedule. Ask yourself, what daily habits support the future version of myself? Libra Rising, full moon in the 5th house. For Libra Rising, this full moon illuminates your 5th house of creativity, romance, joy, and self-expression. This can be a powerful time for creative breakthroughs. You may feel inspired to share your talents, take a creative risk, or reconnect with something that brings you happiness. Aquarius reminds you that your uniqueness is your gift. Ask yourself, where am I ready to express myself more freely? Scorpio Rising, full moon, in the 4th house. For Scorpio Rising, this full moon activates your 4th house of home, family roots, and emotional foundations. You may experience realizations about your personal life or your relationship with the past. This can be a time of releasing old patterns and creating a home environment that reflects who you are now. Ask yourself, what foundation do I need to create for my next chapter? Sagittarius Rising, full moon in the 3rd house. For Sagittarius Rising, this full moon highlights your 3rd house of communication, learning, and information. Important conversations may come to completion, or you may receive information that changes your perspective. This is a powerful time for writing, teaching, sharing ideas, or expressing your truth. Ask yourself, what message am I ready to share? Capricorn Rising, full moon, in the 2nd house. For Capricorn Rising, this full moon activates your 2nd house of money, values, talents, and self-worth. You may gain clarity around your finances or recognize the value of your skills. Aquarius encourages you to think differently about earning and creating security. Ask yourself, am I valuing my unique abilities? Aquarius Rising, full moon. In the 1st house for Aquarius Rising, this full moon happens in your 1st house of identity, self-expression, and personal growth. This is a powerful moment of self-awareness. You may feel ready to release an old version of yourself and step into a new identity. This full moon asks, who am I becoming? You may feel more visible, more confident, or more aware of what needs to change. Pisces Rising, full moon in the 12th house. For Pisces Rising, this full moon illuminates your 12th house of rest, spirituality, subconscious patterns, and endings. This is a reflective time. You may need more solitude, emotional processing, or space to release what no longer serves you. Aquarius encourages you to clear the past so you can move into the future with greater freedom. Ask yourself, what am I ready to let go of? Closing the full moon in Aquarius invites all of us to examine our relationship with individuality, community, and the future we are creating. Where do we need more freedom? Where do we need stronger connections? And what version of ourselves are we ready to step into? If you enjoyed this astrology forecast, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos exploring planetary transits, natal chart placements, and astrology education. Comment your rising sign below and let me know how this full moon is showing up for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.